Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be talking about jewelry, and jewelry is one of my favorite ways to kind of accessorize an outfit, and for that reason I really love investing in quality pieces that I know I will kind of grow with throughout the years as I grow up. And although my style might change, my jewelry will always remain classic and timeless. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my new favorite jewelry brands, and this is called Mene. So I really wanted to share this jewelry brand with you guys just in case there are people out there like me who like simplistic jewelry that's really fine, high-end, good quality at a great price and made to last for years, and you can kind of mix and match with your other jewelry and just overall make a statement. I really like Mene's jewelry. It's very bold and fresh. So today I'm going to be unboxing a beautiful piece, and this is how it comes. It comes with this beautiful bow in this really beautiful box. This is great for storing the jewelry, and you also get a little gift bag. If you were giving this as a gift, they would have a little gift bag, and then you also get a little booklet. This kind of explains kind of what the brand is about. It shows all their pieces of jewelry, and you also get a certificate of authenticity right here in the front. And it talks about how it's 24 karat gold, the date of purchase, stuff like that, the SKU number. So just beautiful products in here. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. I'm going to simply unbox this little beautiful bow. As you can see right here, it says Mene. So I'm going to do a slow unboxing. It's beautiful. And inside you're going to see you get this little bag right here with the piece of jewelry that I picked out. So here is the ring that I picked out. I'm going to come in close so you guys can see it. It is this stunning ring right here. It has this really nice braided detailing, and it's very classic, very timeless. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on. I am a size 6 in my ring, so I'm really going to wear it kind of on the ring finger. This is something you could wear by itself or with your other jewelry. It's very classic and sophisticated. And this ring is 24 karat gold, so you can feel there's a little bit of weight to it, which is really nice and luxurious. So I really like that. I'm going to come in close so you guys can see. I really think that you could wear this on its own with other pieces if you wanted to. So this was the main finger that I would wear it on, but you can also wear it on this index finger as well if you wanted to. It really depends on the size that you end up getting. So I really love the detailing of this ring. It kind of has like this Greek kind of Romanesque European kind of style to it, which I really like. It's beautiful. So Mene is known for really kind of modern and bold jewelry that's kind of minimalistic but not boring. I encourage you guys to check them out. They also have earrings and necklaces and bracelets, cuffs, all this really amazing jewelry. So this is the ring that I'm going to be enjoying for years to come. I am super happy with this ring. It is stunning, and I'm going to be doing a little lookbook for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I wear this little guy with some of my other jewelry and kind of with the outfit. So that will be coming up next. So without further ado, let's get into showing you how I style this stunning ring. enjoyed this unboxing. I was really excited to share with you guys Mene's jewelry and this ring unboxing. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I'm going to be wearing this so often. It feels so good on the skin. It just makes a statement. So if you're someone who kind of likes this similar style of jewelry, definitely go check them out. I will leave a link in the description box. Definitely go browse their website, kind of see what they're about. And they're really changing the jewelry industry. They have a unique perspective on their jewelry and whatnot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what kind of jewelry do you like to wear, what are your favorite brands, and be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!